What does this word mean?
It's a feeling of emotion.
How are you paying?
I'll be paying with the check.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I come to see family and friends.
Can you give me a wake-up call?
Sure, for what time would you like it?
What's the name of the company you work for?
I work for Creative Minds Media.
Where are we?
We're on Compass, near the library.
Have you bought anything larger?
This is the largest size we carry.
Is anyone going with you?
Yes, I am taking my dog.
Could you broke me up at airport?
Sure, what time do you need to leave?
Are you going to help her?
I'll help if she needs me to.
Do you like to use social media?
Sometime, yes.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, a lot of friends.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, spider.
How often do you drink coffee?
About 2 times a day.
Who do you admire the most?
My mother.
Do you sing well?
I am a horrible singer.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
When was the last time you throw up?
Also, maybe 5 months ago.
What annoys you the most?
People are talking loudly.
Can you keep a secret?
Yes, I can.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes, I do.
What subjects were you good at high school?
I was good at math.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I visit museums.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to London last year.
How many countries have you traveled to?
I've traveled 5 countries.